Merci. 감사합니다. Thank you.
Said I could ride down and back up. I'm an elevator enthusiast, and I asked if I could come down.
Can't make this up. Here we go.
Thank you.
Bring those to a floor.
Yeah, come on over here.
All right, over here.
Okay, this
Hello?
is right there.
Hello?
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets fly through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Oh, hey, watch it! We're coming up here! Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will you? Got it, boss. All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, welcome everyone. You go through this room on the left.
Who do?
One more elevator.
Next time, play with your family, boy.
We can take this next one down.
Thank you.
Yeah. Down is right there. Going down, everyone.
I'll have. Yeah, you take.
You got a large one.
Whatever one, if you only get, because
You can have it if you want.
just get a medium, right? Because I won't drink it straight away, because it's sort of coming out.
Yeah. And I think I'm going to have a pineapple passion fruit.
Yeah.
Because they're really nice. The marshmallow things.
No, I'll get it from that before. This is when my ears pop.
Dankeschön. Merci. 감사합니다. Thank you.
Du glömde tack.
Våning 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, nice day. Yeah, go in there.
Dankeschön. Merci. 감사합니다. Thank you.